Some recipes aren't really about cooking. They're about slowing down, even just for a moment. This goat cheese bruschetta is one of those recipes. Goat cheese adds a nice creaminess and tang to traditional garlicky bruschetta. You'll find a full recipe in the comments below, or simply follow along with this video. It's nothing complicated, just simple ingredients that taste good together. If this resonates with you, be sure to hit like and subscribe to my channel to see more simple recipes. This is the kind of food you make when the people you love are sitting outside, talking softly, waiting for you to bring something to the table. The kind of food that doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be shared. Put on some music or grab a glass of wine and take a few minutes to slice your tomatoes. You want to strain all the extra juices from your tomatoes so your bruschetta doesn't turn out watery. Do this by salting the tomatoes in a colander over a bowl. The salt draws the juices out. While that sits, mince your garlic and notice the aroma. If you have a favorite way of peeling garlic, let me know in the comments. I'm always looking to try new techniques. You can use store-bought minced garlic to save time, but I really recommend fresh garlic here since it is one of the main ingredients of this dish. Set aside a little garlic and add it to a few tablespoons of olive oil and let the flavors infuse. At this point, preheat the oven to 415 degrees Fahrenheit while you work on the rest of the recipe. Slice your basil into thin ribbons by rolling up a stack of fresh, fragrant basil leaves and slicing them thinly. Crumble your goat cheese or use store-bought crumbled goat cheese for a shortcut. When you're ready, combine the tomatoes, garlic, basil in a bowl. Add some balsamic vinegar and olive oil. Stir in additional salt and pepper to taste. Now here's the magic part. I forgot to hit record on my video camera because I was enjoying the cooking process, but you're going to gently fold in about half of your crumbled goat cheese, taking care not to smush the goat cheese too much. Give it another taste, and if the flavor is just right, add some goat cheese crumbles on top. This gives the bruschetta a nice pop of color and flavor. Remember that garlic-infused olive oil? Brush that on top of thin sliced baguette pieces and bake at 415 degrees Fahrenheit for 7 to 8 minutes, or until the bottom is golden and the pieces are crisp. Serve by spooning the bruschetta over the toasted baguettes, garnishing with a little coarse sea salt. Enjoy this moment and let it be a reminder that life tastes better when you take it slow. The full recipe for this bruschetta is in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, be sure to do that now before the video ends.